How to use WhatsApp Wave on your computer. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Wave on your computer to send and receive messages right from your browser. Let's get started. First, on your computer, open a web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com, and you'll see a QR code on your screen. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the three dots in the top right on Android or go to settings on iPhone. Now tap on link device and click on link device option. Click on allow. Now use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer. And that's it. Your chats will appear on your computer and you can start messaging and sending files. So this is how you can use WhatsApp Wave on your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.